Let's do a real-world test of the Miele 5006 for its quick, intense wash. It's a 1-hour cycle. So you can see I've got all these dishes in here. These are real dishes from my kitchen. We've got like noodles and things stuck on, rice stuck on that. If we look in some of these cups, we've got stuff on top of them. We've got like dirt and things that have dried onto the bowls here. Ketchup on this one, some ranch dressing remnants, dirty wine glass in the back, some yogurt stuck into that bowl that's dried on over the course of the day. So pretty much the typical stuff that I've got in my kitchen after the end of a day with kids especially. Everything's loaded up, fits quite a lot in there. And I'm going to grab the Miele Ultra tab here. This is really fantastic from Miele. You can see my dog's going to help me do a pre-wash over there too. Close that up. Let's go ahead and close this, and then I'm going to switch on that quick, intense cycle. So this is the hour-long cycle. It's about an hour and 1 minute in this case, and then I'm going to go ahead and start that. And let's come back. It's an hour later. Let's open this guy up and see how we did. So I'm going to look first at that yogurt bowl that had everything dried on. You see there's nothing in the bottom, firstly. I think that's really good. Basically all clean is a tiny drop of yogurt that didn't get out of that one. But otherwise, look at this. These are all perfect. Everything's totally clean in there. The plate that had the ketchup on it is over on the side there is completely clean. If we grab this wine glass, sparkly, kind of perfect on that. Overall, I just think it's done great on the stuff down here. Let's take a peek at the top rack on there. Everything's looking great. That coffee mug's good. All that stuff is off. The rice is all pretty much gone from these bowls. So really fantastic. I find it works great even on that quick, intense wash, an hour, and everything gets super, super clean there with the Miele 5006.